Imagine this. It's 11 p.m. You're exhausted. Then your partner says one thing, and suddenly you're that couple. The one screaming about toothpaste caps. How did the tiny tube ruin your night? Truth, it's never about the toothpaste. It's about feeling invisible, and today, I'll show you how to decode these fights. If you've ever cried in the shower after a fight, click like. Let's fix this together. Chapter 1. The 3 fights every couple has. Exhibit A. The time war. You're always late. It's not about minutes. It's about respect. Pro tip, say when we're late. I feel like an afterthought instead. Exhibit B. The money trap. You spent how much on shoes? Hint, it's not about cash. It's about security. Try, can we align on what feels safe to spend? Exhibit C. The Phantom X. Why do you still talk to them? Spoiler, it's about fear of abandonment. The fix. I need reassurance that I'm your priority now. What if I told you there's a scientific way to stop these? Chapter 2. Your brain on fights. When Lisa yelled, "You never listen," John's brain literally shut down. Science calls this flooding. Your body thinks it's fighting a bear. Symptoms, racing heart, tunnel vision, and the worst comebacks of your life. The antidote, the 20-minute rule. If heart rate greater than 100, stop. Say I love you, but I need 20 minutes then. Eat a snack. My friends Mia and Tom swear by this. Instead of divorce, they now fight with timers. Game Changer Chapter 3. Love letters from hell. Real texts from real couples. We're done. Gives translation. I'm terrified you'll leave first. Whatever. Gives translation. I'm hurt but can't say it. You're just like your mother. Gives I feel trapped in old patterns. Your homework. Respond to the translation, not the text. Chapter 4. When to call reinforcements. If your fights include physical threats, gaslighting, days of silence, this isn't a communication issue. It's a red flag parade. A therapist isn't a failure. It's like hiring a personal trainer for your love life. Next time you're this close to throwing the remote, pause. Ask, what's the wound underneath then? Share that instead. Comment wound if you'll try this. And subscribe. Next week, we decode toxic in-laws. Remember, even perfect couples fight the magic? Repairing with courage?